If you are serious about studying in Germany in 2025, this is the video you cannot afford to miss. We are covering absolutely everything you need to know, from admissions and documents to the app certification, CSP Visa Portal blocked account, visa interview tips, and even your post-study PR roadmap. Whether you are applying for a bachelor's or master's degree, this video is your complete step-by-step. So grab a notebook, because we are getting into the details that most consultants skip. Let us begin with the big question. Why choose Germany? Germany is one of the most popular study destinations in the world for good reason. It offers affordable tuition, world-class universities, and excellent career prospects. Cities like Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, and Frankfurt host not only top universities but also the headquarters of global companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and SAP. As an international student, you are allowed to work 23 hours per week and earn at least 12.83 euros per hour, and you are eligible for an 80-month post-study work visa once you graduate. And here is something most people do not know. If you stay in Germany for 5 years after graduation, you can apply for permanent residency. That means you are not just investing in a degree, you are investing in a future career in Europe's strongest economy. Now, let us talk about admission intakes. Germany has two main intakes: fall from September to November, and summer from March to July. Some universities also offer January and February intakes, but these are limited. HE University sets its own deadlines, so always check their official website or use a reliable tool like DoD CourseFinder. For fall intake, you should start applying between December and March. For summer, between August and January. But here is the golden rule. Start 4 to 6 months early. This gives you time to complete apps, submit documents, and handle delays in visa appointments. Next, let us look at eligibility requirements. For bachelor's degrees, most private universities accept Indian students with 12 years of education and 60% or higher in class 12. Public universities often require 13 years, meaning a foundation course or 1 year of college in India. For masters, you need a 3 or 4 year bachelor's degree with at least 60%. GRE is only required by some public universities. English proficiency is a must. IELTS 6.5 overall or TOEFL equivalent. Germany does not accept PTE or Duolingo for visa purposes. Now, let us talk about the required documents. You will need your passport, 10th, 12th, and bachelor's mark sheets, degree certificate, updated CV, a strong statement of purpose, IELTS or TOEFL score, and letters of recommendation if available. Universities often accept conditional applications, so do not wait to collect every document before applying. Let us pause for a moment and go deeper into the Statement of Purpose, or SOP. Your SOP should answer 4 key questions. Why Germany? Why this course? Why this university? And what are your future goals? Keep it honest, specific, and avoid using generic templates from the internet. For example, instead of writing Germany has world-class education, WRITE, Germany's strong integration of theoretical and practical education aligns with my goal of working in research at a global firm like SAP. If you need help writing an SOP, reach out to an advisor or drop a comment, and we will share a structure. Now, the big game changer for Indian students is APS certification. EPS, or the Academic Evaluation Center, is a joint initiative of the German Embassy and it verifies your academic records and confirms you are eligible to study in Germany. APS is mandatory for all students whose last qualification was completed in India and who are applying to German universities. It costs 18,000 rupees, and the process takes 1 to 2 months. Here's a quick checklist for your APS courier printed apps: application form, passport copy, ADAR card copy, class 10, 12 and bachelor's mark sheets, degree, certificate, IELTS or TOEFL score if available, proof of payment for 18,000 rupees, APS consent form. All documents must be self-attested, printed in hard copy, and couriered to apps, New Delhi. It is where you fill in your visa application, upload documents, and track status. Use 2 email IDs, one for account setup and another to receive OTP. After validation, CSP lets you schedule a visa appointment through. Important: if your university requires apps, you must book your visa appointment at a VFS visa application center, not the consulate or embassy. Let us talk about jurisdiction. You must apply from the VFS office that matches the state where you have been living for the past 6 months, not where your passport is from. For example, If you live in Bangalore but your passport is from Kerala, you file in Bangalore. If you choose the wrong jurisdiction, your appointment will be cancelled. Financial requirements for a Germany student visa are strict. First, pay your first-year tuition fee. Second, open a blocked account with a deposit of 11,904 euros for living expenses. This account ensures you have enough money to survive in Germany for 1 year. AD 100 euros to cover transfer or admin fees. If your course is more than a year long, you also need to show proof of how you will pay the remaining fees via savings, education, loan, FD, or sponsor. Let us go over the blocked account setup. You can open a blocked account with providers like Expatrio Fintiva. After registration, transfer 11,904 euros to the German account from an Indian account in your name. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a blocked account confirmation PDF. This document is required at the time of visa filing. Some providers also include free health insurance coverage in the package, which satisfies the embassy requirement for 30,000 euros coverage. Now let us prepare for the visa appointment. You will need original passport, passport-sized photos, admission letter, APS certificate, blocked account, confirmation, proof of tuition fee payment, IELTS or TOEFL score SOP, and resume, proof of funds for remaining fees, health insurance certificate, any additional documents like LOR internships or certifications. Bring 1 set of original documents and 2 sets of photocopies. Let us also talk about visa interview preparation. While not all students are interviewed, some may be asked basic questions about their course, university, funding, or future plans. Answer honestly and confidently. Practice questions like, why did you choose this course in Germany? Or how will you fund your education? If your answers do not sound genuine, the visa officer may doubt your intentions. So, what are the most common mistakes that delay or ruin applications? Selecting no on the app section in CSP, even when a PS is required. Using the same email for CSP and VFS. Applying under the wrong jurisdiction. Note uploading balance. Tuition fee proof. Uploading blurry or incomplete documents, submitting an SOP copy from the internet. Now, let us talk about life after your studies. Once you graduate from a recognized university in Germany, you automatically get 18 months of post-study work rights. During this time, you can apply for a full-time job and convert your student visa into a work permit. If you work continuously for 5 years in Germany, you can apply for permanent residency. Germany also allows you to bring your spouse or dependent children after you arrive, typically within 4 to 6 months. Let us quickly compare public and private universities again. Public universities are government-funded and usually have little to no tuition fees. They are very competitive and mostly require a Private universities charge tuition fees, usually between 8,000 and 15,000 euros per year. They offer faster processing, easier admission, and flexible intakes. Private degrees are fully valid, and many students from private universities have secured jobs, PR, and long-term settlement in Germany. Finally, here is a timeline checklist to help you plan ahead 6 months before intake. Start your apps process 5 months before. Apply to universities 4 months before. Accept offer. Pay tuition. Open blocked account 3 months before. Register on CSP. Upload documents 2 months before. Schedule visa appointment and submit 1 month before. Prepare for travel and pre-departure. If all of this feels overwhelming, do not worry. That is what we are here for. At Mine Overseas, we guide you through every step from choosing universities, getting a PS, writing SOPs, preparing visa documents, and booking appointments. Do not risk a rejection just because of a small mistake. Germany offers excellent job opportunities, both during and after your studies. As a student, you can work up to 23 hours per week, earning around 12.83 to 15 euros per hour. Part-time jobs are available on campus, in cafes, retail, tech startups, and more. Knowing even basic German can help you land better paying jobs. After graduation, you get an 18-month post-study work visa to find a full-time job. Germany is home to top global companies like BMW, Siemens, SAP, Deutsche Bank, and many more across engineering, IT, business, healthcare, and renewable energy sectors. With a full-time job, you can apply for the EU Blue Card and later permanent residency in as little as 21 to 33 months. Germany is not just a place to study, it is a place to settle and build a global career. Let us know in the comments if you want a separate video on how to get internships, write a German-style CV, or apply for the EU Blue Card. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and leave your questions in the comments. We reply to each one. Let us know what topic you would like us to cover next. Germany versus UK comparison. how to write a powerful SOP, or a deep dive into the blocked account process. Your dream of studying in Germany is not far. It just needs clarity, preparation, and the right support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.